Hello students, welcome to this interesting session of Geography, Interior of the Earth. The Earth, our homeland, is a unique planet. It has beautiful lofty mountains, high plateaus, large plains, rivers and beautiful deep valleys. Children, have you ever wondered what lies in the interior of the Earth? What is the earth made up of? Why do volcanoes, earthquakes, tsunami and other natural disasters occur? Let us learn about all these in this session. The structure of the earth may be compared to that of an apple. The earth too has layers like an apple. The earth has three concentric layers. They are the crust, the mantle and the core. The crust. The crust is the outermost layer of the earth. Its average thickness varies from 5 to 30 kilometers. The continental crust is less dense than the oceanic crust because it is made up of both light and dense rock types. The crust comprises two distinct parts. The upper part consists of granite rocks and forms the continents. It has the main mineral constituents of silica and alumina. So it is collectively referred to as Sial. Si for silica and Al for alumina, and has an average density of 2.7 gram per centimeter cube. The lower part is a continuous zone of denser basaltic rocks forming the ocean floors, comprising of silica and magnesium. It is therefore called as Sima. Si for silica and Ma for magnesium. It has an average density of 3.0 gram per centimeter cube. The Sial and Sima together form the Earth's crust. The next layer beneath the crust is called the mantle. It is separated from the crust by a boundary called Mohorovicic discontinuity. Mohorovicic discontinuity. The mantle is about 2,900 kilometers thick and divided into two parts. The upper mantle has a density of 3.4 to 4.4 gram centimeter cube, extends downwards to 700 km. The lower mantle, having a density of 4.4 to 5.5 gram per centimeter cube and extends from 700 to 2900 km. The core. The innermost layer of the earth is called the core. It is also known as barosphere and separated from the mantle by a boundary called Wishart-Gutenberg discontinuity. Wishart-Gutenberg discontinuity. The core is also divided into two parts, the outer core rich in iron and in liquid state. It extends between 2,900 to 5,150 km and the inner core is composed of nickel and ferrous. Ni for nickel, Fe for ferrous in solid state. The central core has very high temperature and pressure. It extends from 5,150 km to 6,370 km. The average density is 13.0 gram per centimeter cube. The earth movements. The lithosphere is broken into a number of plates known as the lithospheric plates. The movement of the Earth's lithospheric plates is termed as tectonic movements. At some places, these plates move away from each other, creating wide rifts and trenches. At some places, these plates come closer and dash against each other. When an oceanic plate dashes with a continental plate, it is forced below and as a result, pressure is formed which makes the rocks heat up. The molten rocks form volcanic mountains. In some cases, when two continental plates converge, folds may be created. Great mountain ranges like the Himalayas have been formed in this way. Asthenosphere. The asthenosphere is the part of the mantle that flows and moves the plates of the earth. The earth's movements are divided on the basis of the forces which cause them. The forces which act in the interior of the earth are called endogenic forces, like volcanoes, earthquakes, etc. The forces which occur above the surface of the earth are called exogenic forces, like sea arches, sand dunes, etc. Now, children, we will learn about the great natural disaster, earthquake. What is an earthquake? A sudden movement of a portion of the earth's crust which produces a shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. Earthquakes may cause damage to life and property. Causes of earthquake. The chief cause of earthquake is the sudden slipping of the portion of the earth's crust along fractures or faults. The sudden shifting of landmass causes upheavals in the crust of the earth, sending vibrations or waves into the surrounding portions of the earth. Sometimes the surface of the earth itself cracks. Another cause of earthquake is volcanic activity. The point where these vibrations originate is called the focus of the earthquake. The point of the earth's surface directly above the focus is called the epicenter. From the focus, the earthquake vibrations travel in different directions in the form of seismic waves. The earthquake waves are recorded by an instrument known as seismograph. The magnitude of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. The numbers on the scale range from 0 to 9. An earthquake of 2.0 on Richter scale is less, but when it is at 6.0, it is called higher magnitude, and 7.0 is classified as a major earthquake. There are three types of earthquake waves: P waves or longitudinal waves, S waves or transverse waves, L waves or surface waves. Effects of earthquakes. Earthquake may cause changes in the earth's surface. Vibration often set landslides in mountainous region. A greater danger is an earthquake is the falling of buildings and houses are collapsed, and fire is another great danger. Underground water system is also naturally disturbed. Distribution of earthquakes. The most frequent earthquakes occur along the Pacific Ring of Fire. Earthquakes also occur in the Mediterranean Himalayan belt and also in northern Africa and Rift Valley areas of the Red Sea and Dead Sea. In India, the Himalayan region and the Ganga-Brahmaputra valley are prone to earthquakes. Some major earthquakes recorded in India were the earthquake of Uttarkashi in 1991, Chamoli in 1999, the Koyna earthquake in 1967, and Latur earthquake in 1993. Now we have come to the end of part 1, children. We will continue with tsunami and volcanoes in the second part. Be safe, revise well, and keep watching. Thank you.